In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Meet Now session using Microsoft Teams Essentials. This is a great way to quickly gather your team for an impromptu meeting, whether it's to brainstorm ideas, check in on a project, or simply collaborate in real time. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start your meeting without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you're signed in to Microsoft Teams. This platform can be accessed through your web browser by going to the official Teams website. Once there, look for the sign in option. You'll need to enter your credentials, particularly your email and password associated with your Teams account. If you encounter any trouble signing in, make sure to double check your input details or reset your password if necessary. Once you've successfully signed into Teams, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard or home screen of the application. Here you'll see various options and features accessible to you. For now, focus on locating the group chat section. This is where you can communicate with team members or other participants you wish to invite to the meeting. After you've accessed the group chat, direct your attention to the top right hand section of your screen where you'll see the Meet Now button. Clicking on this button is the key to starting your meeting. It's designed to be user-friendly and allow quick access, so when you click it, a new meeting session will initiate instantly. This feature enables you to connect with your team members swiftly, without the need for scheduling in advance. At this point, your job is almost done. What's left is simply inviting the right people to your meeting. Each member of the group chat will have the capability to join the meeting since they are already part of your group. If there are additional participants you wish to include, you can easily send them an invitation. This can be done by sharing the meeting link, which is generated as soon as the Meet Now session starts. You can copy this link and distribute it through email or any other communication method your team commonly uses. And there you have it, a swift and efficient way to initiate a Meet Now session on Microsoft Teams Essentials. This functionality enhances team collaboration by providing an accessible space for immediate interaction and discussion. Whether you're planning on discussing upcoming projects or simply having a casual catch up with team members, Meet Now makes it seamless and straightforward. I hope you found this explanation helpful and you're now ready to host your own meetings on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining today and happy meeting.